OK， 你見到嗰個紅色嘅。Hi everybody, hi New York. I'm Helen Qiu. I'm running for New York State Assembly. Look at this. It's my campaign office, and my campaign office is now being blockaded by a homeless man inside. He used towels to block the front door, so I cannot even enter into my campaign office to work. This is the problem in our city, in our state. We cannot allow this lawlessness continue on our land. My opponent wants to continue the cashless bail law. My opponent wants to condone this kind of lawlessness. We have to say no. New York, we cannot do this anymore. We have had enough. So New York, Lower East Side, rise up today. Rise up and vote for Helen Qiu. We cannot allow this to happen again. Look at this lawlessness. Look at, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have close to 10 policemen here. We have 4 police cars here because we don't know the condition inside. It could be a dangerous condition.